Hello, today I'm going to show you how to replace the smart entry key battery of a Honda Civic 2016, but the procedure will apply for any Civic 10th generation. The battery that I'm going to use is this one. It cost me around $7, I guess. There are cheapers. It's up to you. Okay, the first thing that we're going to do is release the physical key from the smart key. For that we have this small button in the back of the key. We're gonna slide it and that will release the physical key. Now we have here like two ribs and we're gonna fit the physical key between them and twist it, and that is gonna open the smart key. Once we do this, with the small screwdriver we're gonna push the battery out smoothly, and that's it. I have my old battery here, and then I'm gonna place my new battery in the smart key. That's it. We're gonna place back the smart key. For this we just need to push both parts against each other. That's it. We place back the physical key, and now we just need to check that the key is opening, closing, and the car is turning on without any problem. So it seems that our key is working fine, no problems. Now let's turn on the car just to be sure that everything is fine. So no problems. And that's it. Thank you.